Good evening, everyone. I'm Jenna Molon, and I'm happy to share with you about our final project presentation. This is about sharing about our business. So let me navigate through my website. So basically, this is what we sell. Um, this is what my website looks like in front. We are actually selling back posture corrector. Okay, so yeah, finally, sorry for the internet connection. So for the catalog, I use these two products, two types of products that we are selling. The Smart Posture Corrector and the Brace Support Belt. Um, as we can navigate about us, will tell our visitors in on our webs and my website to why are we selling the product, and mainly because we want to help in improving the posture and also remove the back pains of our customers. I also put the contact us because basically we as my business model is drop shipping, so we as we know we are responsible for the complaints or concerns that will come along uh, with our customers. So it is very important that they can get in touch with us but through our email or contact number. So how do we navigate with my products? So it's just a straightforward um, process. And here, as we can see, um, yeah, customer will just have to click which color would they like. The We have black or gray, and also the total number, the quantity, and then they simply have to add in their cart. And if they want to buy now, they just have to click here. Okay, and then they will need to fill up the contact information, the name of our, of course, customers, and where do we need to send their orders. And until they get it to the bottom, which they will be paying, we use PayPal as our online partner for payment. Now, that's how my business works. Just to share with you that the tools I use to help my business prosper. Of course, as we all know, the use of Google Analytics is very powerful because this will help. Personally, it helps me understand how to improve a high quality website to help me with all the necessary information regarding my site performance. I would like to know who are converting and who's not interested. So I also use Google Ads for my online advertising to help me reach for my target customers through the use of different targeting methods. Of course, keyword and AdWords are really powerful tool. Hopefully, this platform will help me increase my website visit and conversion. Another social media that I am concentrating now is the Facebook. So I created my business with Facebook page. I use Facebook Ads Manager. Um, so I could make it easy to handle my social media advertising. So basically, I just would like to make this as the platform where I can potentially reach for my majority of my target customers, especially in the Philippines, where everyone is using Facebook. Um, And so I think that's it for my business, for my website. I hope that you enjoy visiting my website. Please comment down below if you have any suggestions on how I can improve even more. Thank you so much for watching.